Hi guys, my name is Naima and welcome to Foxy. Today I'm going to show you a skincare routine that you must follow in general of course, but also something that will prep your skin before you start with makeup. So let's get started. So there are three products that I'm going to use. Currently I've applied nothing on my face because I want to show you how this skincare routine works before you start applying makeup. So this is a regular skincare routine that I follow, 3 steps and that's it. The first thing you need to do while starting a skincare routine is identifying your skin type. Once you know if you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, you'll buy products according to that. So my skin is combination skin, which is normal. Some days it's dry, some days it's oily, or some days it's just great. So I'm going to start by showing you the products that I'm using. These are products that I genuinely recommend for most skin types. So the first thing you need to do is cleansing. So I'm using the Nivea cleansing milk. And I'm just going to take some product on a cotton pad and just cleanse my skin out. So this is usually done because there are always remains of either like dust particles or leftover makeup. So if you're starting like say after a shower, and even though you've washed your face with a face wash and everything, there are always some remains that are going to come out in a cleanser, and that's why this is important. You see what I'm saying? There's always some particles left behind in your pores. This is also a skincare routine that I recommend before you go to bed at night. The next step is toning, for which I'm using the Himalaya toner. So this closes your pores. So after you've cleansed and then you use toner, this kind of helps to shut your pores out and preventing it from anything from going in. So again, I'm going to take some on a cotton pad, dab it on my face. Don't go too close to the eyes because the skin is very thin there. If you don't have a toner, you can also use ice. Works great as a natural toner. Once this is done, I'm going to let it be for 5 minutes and dry out. And lastly, I'm using moisturizer. So this has an SPF of 30 and I love this moisturizer. It's my new favorite. I'm just going to dot some on my face. This is a moisturizer that is for all skin types. Make sure you blend it. These 3 steps are key to a great skincare routine. You don't need to be investing in really expensive products. You just need to identify your skin type. Once you've done that, you pick the products according to what your skin type demands, and then you buy a moisturizer. Say for example, if you feel like your skin is really dry, you have to invest in an oil-based moisturizer. And I personally believe investing in a good moisturizer is going to be worth it because it's something that's going to take care of your skin. Good skin is usually most of your work done. A good skincare routine and a great makeup look after is definitely something that you're looking for. So I hope this video was helpful. Also, don't forget to follow Foxy Makeup Tips on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.